everybody, this is Tess, Dad, Anna. So today we had a thunderstorm. We're in a thunderstorm. And now we're going to share a video on 10 things to do in the middle of a thunderstorm. We hope you like it. They are, number 1, don't take a bath even if your dad says to.
Hey, Tess. Come on, it's time for your tub.
No way!
Yeah, don't hide, come on.
Number 2 is to do a candle and a flashlight search. I found another flashlight that doesn't work.
I found a few. Smells nice.
I found another flashlight that doesn't work, but that might be because it doesn't have batteries in it.
Have a dance party.
I'm so glad you guys are having fun.
Like cops.
Freeze! Left your hands up.
What'd I do?
You're accused of stealing an item.
Ouch.
And you're being under arrest if you'd like to call a lawyer. If you'd like to
Wait a
take
minute,
this to court.
wait. Do you have the keys for these?
Where are you going? Get back here. Hey, get back here.
Number 6 is fold laundry.
Because everyone likes folding laundry.
Come on, you guys. I thought you said you were going to help do the laundry. And besides, it's impossible to do it with these handcuffs on.
You have the right to remain silent. You are going to be put back in your cell for the rest of the night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave your comments down in the comment section. If you think there's anything needing to be fixed or a suggestion on future videos, please comment.
Put you in charge. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some good ideas of things that you can do during a storm at your house. Thanks for watching.
Bye.